Good morning, all of you. I'm a science teacher, and today I'm going to teach you science. In last video, we started our next chapter of science, that is getting to know plants. And today we continue with the same chapter from the next topic, different categories of plants. So yesterday we discussed on the in last video, sorry, we discussed on the uh, different categories of plant on the basis of their properties. So we discussed on the different types of stems and different types of flower, different colors of flower, different shapes of leaf. So on the basis of these properties, we divided into basic three categories. First one is herb, second one shrub, and third one is trees. Okay, so these are we already discussed, and today we continue with the same chapter from the next topic. So there are two more categories of the plants are there. That is fourth category of plant after herbs, shrubs, and trees, creepers. So it is another category of plants. So in this category, the plants which have weak stem and they need to support, they cannot stand upright on their own, so and spread on the ground. These type of plants are called creepers. Okay, the plants which have weak stem and need supports, they cannot stand upright on their own. These type and spread on the ground are called creepers. Okay, so there are some examples of it. Pumpkin, it is also an example because it have weak stem and they creep on the ground, spread on the ground. Watermelon, sweet potato, muskmelon, these are the example of creepers. Watermelon, pumpkin, and muskmelon. Then the next one is climbers. We can understand by its name also. Climbers means it climb on the plants or any other support. Some plants take support, some plants take support the near structure like wall, tree, fence, and climb up. They find the different supports and they climb up on it. These type of plants are called climbers. Okay, so there are some examples. Money plant is an example of climbers. Pea plant, grapevine, and bean plant. Okay, then now we already discussed in last video, plant has different parts of it like stem, roots, leaves, fruits, branches. Okay, so every part of plant has play an important role. So first we discussed on the stem. What is the function of stem we discussed. Okay, so stem is a part of plant that support leaves, flowers, and fruits. Stem is a part of which part of the plant that support to leaves to provide nutrient and to provide water for the flowers also and roots and for the roots also. From they absorb roots absorb water from the ground, minerals from the ground, and through the stem the water or minerals move in upward direction and reaches to the leaves, flower, and fruits. Okay, then the next one, stems help in transport of fluid and roots to other part of plant. Okay, so I already told you that these help stem is help in transport the fluid. Fluid means water and minerals and other substances from roots to the other parts of the plant. Means from roots to the leaves, fruit, or flowers. And the next point, the movement of water and minerals from the roots is done through a narrow tube. It is done through a narrow tube of the stem and we called it xylem. Okay, then the next part of the plant, that is leaf. So what the function of leaves, we know that. We also know something about already about the leaves and stem together form a shoot. Leaves and stem together form the shoot. Okay, so the part of leaf by which attached to the stem is called. So there is some part of the leaf, the part of leaf which attached to the stem from here. This part is known as petiole. Okay, and the broad green part of leaf is called the broad from here to around the leaves. Broad part of leaves is called lamina. Okay, and a small line present on leaf are called small lines. These are the small lines. These small lines on the leaves is called veins. What we called it? Veins. But a thick vein which is present in the middle of the leaf. This vein is known as midrib. Okay, and these supports and transport water and minerals through the leaf. Okay, the beans, these beans give support and transport water from getting to the branch or the plants and minerals through the leaves. Okay, then leaf venation. It is also a very important topic. Leaf venation. What is leaf venation? So in this leaf, you see the veins is arranged in a network like they form network like network of veins. Sorry, the design made by veins in leaf is called the leaf venation. This is leaf venation. The design made by veins. If the design is net-like at both sides of the midrib, like this, on the both side of midrib, net-like structure they form. Then we called this type of venation a reticulate venation. Okay, so examples are which plant shows the reticulate venation? Coriander, rose, and oak. Okay, and the second type of venation is if the design made by beans are parallel. Which type of beans network? Like parallel network of the beans is called parallel venation, like grass, wheat, and maize. So there is no diagram for it. Just I try to drawing by a leaf structure like this. Suppose it is a leaf and venations like this in grass, wheat, rice, this type of venation. So you see in the grass also like this, like this, and the veins are arranged parallelly in the leaf. Okay, so this type of venation is called parallel venation. Okay, I think it is enough for today. We will continue from tomorrow with the same chapter. Okay, good luck.